Hello, Hema. So we are waiting for others to join. So let's just wait for a few more seconds. Okay?
Hi, sure.
Yeah, okay.
आभा श्री राम की इस जग में सबसे न्यारी है, राम दर्शन को तेरे दुनिया दीवानी है।
आभा श्री राम की इस जग में सबसे न्यारी है, राम दर्शन को तेरे दुनिया दीवानी है।
माता कौशल्या की आंखों के तारे हो, अपने भक्तों के रामा तुम ही सहारे हो। तेरी सेवा करने से, तेरी सेवा करने से मेरी किस्मत खुल जाए।
जब खिड़की खोलूं तो तेरा दर्शन हो जाए।
मेरे घर के आगे श्री राम तेरा मंदिर बन जाए। मेरे घर के आगे श्री राम तेरा मंदिर बन जाए।
श्री राम मेरे राम, श्री राम मेरे राम, श्री राम मेरे राम, श्री राम मेरे राम।
मेरे घर के आगे श्री राम तेरा मंदिर बन जाए। आते जाते श्री राम जी के दर्शन कर लूं, जरा इस मन को पावन और खुद को निर्मल कर लूं।
आते जाते श्री राम जी के दर्शन कर लूं, जरा इस मन को पावन और खुद को निर्मल कर लूं।
मगन होकर मैं भज लूं श्री राम को, प्रभु श्री राम जी बनाते बिगड़े काम को। नजदीक रहूंगा तो, नजदीक रहूंगा तो दिल गदगद हो जाए।
जब खिड़की खोलूं तो तेरा दर्शन हो जाए।
Morning. You might be joining the camera. All right. Sit in your place. Sit straight. Sit. You can hear me? Can you hear me, both of you? All right. Hello, Hema. Welcome to the yoga session today. I hope you can hear me.
Yes, I can.
Yeah, okay. So, all right. So, we'll not wait for this any longer. So, as and when they are free, they can join. All right. So, keep your hands on the knees in Shin Mudra. Shin Mudra means index finger and the thumb together and rest of the three fingers together. Keep your hands on the knees. Backbone completely straight and shoulders rolled back. Keep it there. Eva, do you what language do you speak?
Me?
Yeah. Like,
Kannada.
are you okay with? Do you speak Hindi? Is it Hindi your mother tongue or something, or what?
No, I know Hindi.
Oh, you know Hindi. Okay, all right. And are you okay with this? The songs you were listening, right? So some religious songs. Are you okay with them playing?
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay. And we will be chanting Om and Gayatri Mantra. Okay. So anytime you feel that you are not comfortable with anything, you can let me know. Okay. All right. So let's just sit in Sukhasan. You can sit in Sukhasan, Padmasan, Ardha Padmasan, or if you have any problem with the knees, then you can keep your knees relaxed, like open like this. No need to sit in the cross legs. Whenever you have any knee problem, do not use your knees too much. So relaxed position like this. You can see. So this is relaxed position, open legs. And if I sit like this is Ardha Padmasana. If I sit like this is Purna Padmasana. And normal, this is called Sukhasana. All right. So let's just sit in this position. Hands on the knees. Backbone straight, shoulders roll back, eyes closed, face towards me. For a few seconds, just sit in silence. Try to focus on your Agya Chakra. Agya Chakra is the point between the eyebrows where generally we put tilak or bindi. That is the point which is Agya Chakra. So let's try to see with your closed eyes. Try to look at your Agya Chakra. Breathe in, breathe out, nice and slow. Breathe in from the nose and you can breathe out from either nose or from your mouth. But make sure that you are breathing in from your nose. Try to focus on Agya Chakra. Let the thoughts that are coming to your mind slow down automatically. There is no need to forcefully think or not think about something. Let it come as it comes. But watch them slowing down. Speed of breathing out should be slower than the breathing in. Feel relaxed, calm, and comfortable. Start chanting Om. We'll chant Om 3 times. Take a long, deep breath. And while breathing out, slowly chant Om. Anytime you feel breathless, then stop it, pause, take a pause, and then restart it. So let's do it. Om. Om. Keep your eyes closed, breathe in, breathe out. Let's chant Gayatri Mantra 3 times. Om Bhur Swaha Tatsaviturvareniyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Om Bhur Swaha Tatsaviturvareniyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Om Bhur Swaha Tatsaviturvareniyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Breathe in, breathe out. Keep your eyes closed. Bring your palms together. Rub them together. Feel the heat. Feel the energy. And let it flow in your body, through your face, through your eyes. Put your hands on your face, on your eyes. Slowly open your palms. Look at your palms. Slowly open your eyes and look at your palms for a few seconds. It is believed that Saraswati and Lakshmi both lives in our palms. So just look at our palms. for a few seconds and then bring your hands down. All right. Thank you so much for joining today's session and taking care of your health, being aware of your health. So there is less light today, it seems. Am I visible clearly? Let me see. Actually, there is a lot of light behind me. Oh, what happened? Where did Hima go? She got disconnected, I think. Okay, anyway, she'll join, I guess. So, yeah, so I'll play some music. Let's just let's do fast, either fast walking or jogging. But if you have anything related to knees, knee problem or anything, then let's avoid the jogging part. All right, chal. You start it. I'll just check with her what happened. I'll just call her. Okay. So I'll be on the side calling her. You can continue the jogging or walking.
घर के आगे श्री राम तेरा मंदिर बन जाए मेरे घर के आगे श्री
बोलो राम बोलो राम राम राम। तेरी मंद मंद मुस्कनिया पे तेरी मंद मंद मुस्कनिया पे बलिहार राघव जी बलिहार राघव जी। तेरी मंद मंद मुस्कनिया पे तेरी मंद मंद मुस्कनिया पे बलिहार राघव जी बलिहार राघव जी। तेरी मुस्कनिया पे
Okay, Hima, you got disconnected, I guess, right?
Yeah.
All right. So what we are doing now is we are starting with slight jogging or walking. So if you have any existing problem related to knees, then you avoid jogging. Okay. Otherwise, you can jog or you can walk. We do this around 3 to 4 minutes in our place. Okay. All right. So your camera is such that I cannot see your face, Hima. Try if you can keep it a little tilted so that I can see you also.
मुस्कनिया पे हो तेरी मुस्कनिया पे तेरी मुस्कनिया पे हो तेरी मंद मंद मुस्कनिया पे तेरी मंद मंद मुस्कनिया पे बलिहार राघव जी बलिहार राघव जी बलिहार राघव जी बलिहार राघव जी। तेरे बाल बड़े घुंघराले बादल जो कारे कारे तेरे बाल बड़े घुंघराले बादल जो कारे कारे तेरे बाल बड़े घुंघराले बादल जो कारे कारे तेरे बाल बड़े घुंघराले बादल जो कारे कारे। तेरी पाँव की पैजनिया पे तेरे पाँव की पैजनिया पे बलिहार राघव जी बलिहार राघव जी। तेरी मुस्कनिया पे तेरी मुस्कनिया पे हो तेरी मुस्कनिया पे तेरी मंद मंद मुस्कनिया पे तेरी मंद मंद मुस्कनिया पे बलिहार राघव जी बलिहार राघव जी बलिहार राघव जी बलिहार राघव जी। बड़े कजरारे लगते हैं प्यारे प्यारे तेरे नैन बड़े कजरारे लगते हैं प्यारे प्यारे तेरे नैन बड़े कजरारे लगते हैं प्यारे प्यारे तेरे नैन बड़े कजरारे लगते हैं प्यारे प्यारे
All right, relax, spread your legs, bend down, bend down. On each count, take a long deep breath. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come back up. Very nice. All right. So we'll do some Shushma Kriya, means some mini exercises before we do asanas. Okay. All right. So start rotating your head. Start rotating your head. 1. Nice and slow. Don't do it too fast. When you go up, breathe in. When you come down, breathe out. Half circle, breathe in. Half circle, breathe out. Going up, breathe in. Coming down, breathe out. Whenever your body expands, breathe in. Whenever your body shrinks, breathe out. Nice and slow. Opposite direction, change the direction. Relax. Change. So, all the neck related exercises are very good to avoid any neck related diseases such as spondylitis. So, as we grow, we start getting into all those kind of diseases. So, avoiding that, we have to have our neck very flexible. All right. So, up and down. 1, 2. Try to touch your chin with your chest. 3. Feel the stretch when you go up. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One more time. Go up. 10. Very nice. Left and right. We are going to move our neck left and right. So 1. Feel the stretch when you put it on one side. Breathe in. Breathe out. Look behind without tilting your body. Without turning your body, try to look behind. 3, 4, 5, 6. Do the normal breathing. 7, 8, 9. One last time. 10. Very nice. So what we will do, we'll try to touch our ear with our shoulder without lifting the shoulder. All right. So 1. Feel the stretch on the left and right side of the neck. So we happen to collect lot of fat in our neck. So to get rid of the fat from the sides, from this sides. Feel the stretch, bend and feel the stretch. 3. Change the direction. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. And 10. Very nice. So let's work on our shoulders. 1, make a full circle. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Change the direction. 1, 2, feel the stretch. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Very nice. All right. Both hands in front of your chest. Same height as of shoulders. So make a 1 full circle. 1 as far as you can see. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, continue, 10, 11. It's very important to do little exercises before we get into more strenuous exercise. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, look as far as possible, 19 and 20. Relax, relax. Very nice. So let's work on the shoulder one more time. Up, pull it up and keep it there. Keep it there, pull it up, feel the stretch. Keep it up, hold it there. You have to keep it up and hold it there. Hima, you are pulling it up. Pull it up, pull it up. Pull your shoulders up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Relax. Bring your shoulders down. Very nice. All right. Very good. Chal. Pull your hands up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Continue, continue. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Relax. Relax. So, Hima, anytime you feel, because today is your first day, the body may not be that flexible as much as Triveni's is, because she has been doing for a while. I am also doing for a while. So, I may go to a count of 20, 30, but you take a rest. Okay? When you feel that it is beyond what you should do, then you take a rest. And one thing is certain that if you have not been doing workout for a while, then after today's session, you may feel pain here and there, unless you have any sharp pain, like, pointing pain. That is the concerning point. Otherwise, if muscle pain, here and there pain is okay, it will go away as you continue. Okay, so don't worry about it, but do less. Why to have too much pain? That discourages you to continue only. All right, so do less. If we are doing 20, whenever you feel, you take a pause, and you want to join back, take a pause, join back. All right, so one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, little faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Very nice. All right. Keep your hands like this, palms towards the floor, and we'll make a half circle from the back and make the palms towards the sky. So 1, then 2, got it? half circle. Each time half circle. Okay, just look at me. I'll come and show my one hand only. So 1, again back, 2, half circle. Yes, very nice. Continue. Let's continue. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do little more than your capacity, not too much. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Relax. Relax your arms. Press your arms. If you are feeling upper arms, if you are feeling any pressure or any stretch or any pain in your upper arms, press it. Press next to your shoulders right here and press it. Keep your hands up. What do you want? Keep your hands next to your neck and look up. This will relax your neck muscle. Press your neck from the left and right side and look up. Yes. Very nice. All right. So next, both hands up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Relax. Very nice. All right. Both hands up. Hold them together. Cross your fingers. Hold them together above your head. And try to touch it from the back of your head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Very good. 8. You're doing right. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Bring your hands down. Very nice. All right. So let's take a break from the arm exercises. Let's switch to waist exercises. 1, 2. When you take it forward, push it. Push yourself. 3, 4. Very nice. 5, 6. Push, push, push. 7, 8. Very good. 9 and 10. Change the direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Relax. Very nice. All right. So now again back to hands. Pull your hands like this. Palms on 90-degree angle. Try to make a 90-degree angle from your hand. Rest of the hand. Very nice. Yes, beautiful. So now just make a small circle. 1, 2. Keep your palms stretched towards yourself as if there are 2 walls and you are pressing them towards outside so that they don't crush you. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. My laptop battery is low. Can somebody give me a charger? 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Do the opposite direction, 20 count. Let me just put the charger. हो गया. Yeah. Do it. How many counts did you do?
10 I did. 10.
Okay. Take a pause and do 10 more. Okay. because we do same count both direction. Once done, take a pause. All right, very nice. Beautiful. So now both hands, keep it right here in front of your thighs. Okay? And make a fist. You have seen those people who do weight exercises, right? Weight training. So they hold a bottle or they hold a dumbbell here and then do this. So keep shoulder to elbow attached to your body and lift only the rest of the thumb. Rest of the hand. 2, 3, yes. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. You can do it. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Very nice. All right. Very good. So this is especially for getting rid of the fat. Sometimes we get the fat in our hand so much. So right here, from here. All right. Okay. Let's switch to some leg work. All right. So lift your leg up and keep it. Just keep it. You don't have to do anything. Just keep it up and hold it as high as possible. Hold it. If you need a help of a chair, take the help of a chair. Okay. Just hold on. Keep one hand on the chair. So if you want, you can keep a chair next to you. All right. So that you don't lose the balance. You can do it like this also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you want, take a pause and do it again. 11, 12, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Very nice. All right. Other leg. Hold it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you can continue, continue. 11. Otherwise, take a pause and restart. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Relax your thighs. Relax your legs. Very nice. Beautiful. All right. So now in the front, if you want, keep a hand on the chair, or if you don't need, then let it be. Hold it up as high as possible. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Take a pause if you want. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and bring your leg down. Very nice. All right. Both of you doing fine? Hima, are you okay? All right. So other leg, lift it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Take a pause if you wish. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and bring your leg down. Very nice. All right. So now in the back, keep your chest straight. Try not to bring your chest like this. Keep the chest straight. Very nice, Triveni. Hold it up. Leg up. Try to take the help of a chair if you need one. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Take a pause if you wish. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Bring your leg down. Lift the other leg up. Hold it there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Very nice. Beautiful. All right. All okay? Everyone fine? All right. Good. So now we'll do the Pad Chalan Kriya, means we will work upon our legs. All right. So 1, lift it as high as possible, or you can do this also. No need to do all the way. No need to do this. You can do 1, 2, 3, 4, as you like. 5, or lift it less. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Continue. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax your feet. Very nice. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake your leg, shake, shake, shake. Very nice. All right. So let's work on the other leg. Very good for losing the fat from the thighs. All right. So 1, 2. You can lift as high as possible, or you can lift only at 30 degree. So this is 30 degree. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Anytime you feel too much, you can take a pause. 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Relax. Beautiful. Very nice. Relax. All right. Breathe in from the nose. Breathe out from the mouth. Always breathe in nice and slow. Don't forget to take the breath. Means don't take shallow breathing. All right. So we'll do a Pad Chalan Kriya in the front. All right. 1, as high as possible, or you can do 30 degree also. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Relax. Other leg. Let's do 10 times. Other leg. 1, lift it up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Do it according to what your body allow you to do. 8, 9, and 10. All right. So we cannot pull a rubber in one shot too much. If we do too much pulling of a rubber, so what will happen? It will break. So we don't want any breakage of any muscle, any nerves or anything. So we'll do nice and slow and increase the elasticity slowly. All right. All right. Chalo. Towards the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Other leg, change the leg. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do it slow. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right. Very nice. Enough of the leg work. Let's come back to your waist. 1, 2. Same side. 3. Try to straighten your hand. 4. Try to bend as much as possible. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Change the direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Relax. Very nice. Beautiful. So let's work on our foot. So we have to move our foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Opposite direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Very nice. Other leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change the direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Relax. All right. So let's do Tadasana. Tadasana. So hold your hands like this. Take them down as much as possible. If you can touch the floor, you can touch. If you like to touch the floor, try it. And make a one big circle. Come back up. Go up. And come on your toes. Stretch yourself. Come on your toes. Stretch your body as if somebody is pulling you from the top. Somebody is pulling you from the top and earth is holding you down. So hold it like this. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring your hands slowly down. Come back on your entire foot. One more time. Bring the hands down. Go all the way down as much as possible. If you can touch the floor without bending your knees. And make a one big circle. Come back up. While coming up, come on your toes. Stretch your body. Feel the stretch. Entire body. Hold it like this. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring your hands down. What happened, Triveni, today? Your concentration is breaking today, huh?
Yeah, this one I am not able to.
Yeah. Okay, one more time. Let's try. Do one thing. Just point it. Just look at one point. You will be able to balance it better. Try not to think anything else. Just focus on one point. Hold it up. Come on your toes. Touch your body. Keep it like this. 5, 4, 3, 2, and bring your hands down. 1. Very nice. See, better it was, right, Triveni?
Yeah.
Yes, when we are thinking too much, we have many things, then the focus,
Yeah.
our body balance also goes for a toss. All right. Chal. Very nice. All right. So, Hima, can you try doing Brakshasana, which means lift it leg up and keep it between your thighs, between your legs. Try to do. Take it as much as possible. No need to do it fully. You can bring it as high as possible. That is okay. If you can bring till knees, okay. Then slowly bring your hands up. You can, for help today, you can keep one hand on the wall. Take only one hand up. Stretch your body. Keep it like this. Look at 1 point. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly bring your hands down. Aram se. No hurry, no worry. All right. All right. So, Hima, what you do, you you take the support from your back, not on the side. Take it from the back, like this. Stay like this. Yes. So slowly I'll tell you to stay away from the wall. Keep it at 1 inch. Okay? So that when you fall, you will have the support. Otherwise, you will try yourself. So then other leg, lift it up. Very nice. Yes. Hold it up as much as possible. And then take your hand up. It's little difficult. You will get it with practice. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very nice. Beautiful. Very good. 3, 2, and 1. Very nice. All right. Guys, sit. Sit in your place. All right. Sit. Any issues with the knees, Hima? I cannot see you. You have to tilt the camera little bit down. Little more. Now better. Yes. Now you can sit. All right, come. Now just sit. So do you have any issues with the knees, Hima? Any knee pain? Nothing, right? Okay, then good. All right. So let's just sit like this. Keep your hands on the floor. One hand backward, one hand in the front. And we'll try to touch our opposite ear with the knee. So tilt it and then 1. Yes, very good. Go as down as possible. Don't do too much. Otherwise, you will have back pain. Okay. 2. Only 1% more than what your body allows. Change. Hima, look at me first. Okay. Look. 1. Then change. 2. Got it? 3. Only do little. Yeah. 4. 5. 6. Do it slowly and keep your eyes open. 7. Otherwise, you may feel dizzy. 8. 9. And 10. Relax. Open your legs like this. Keep your feet open. Keep your legs open in front of you and spread them as much as possible. Okay? You okay sitting in this position for a few seconds? Yeah? All right. So keep your backbone straight. All right. So in older days, what we used to do, how we used to make flour, how we used to make flour from the wheat, like Triveni doing, right? So we used to do chakki. 1, 2, go as far as possible. Try to touch your toes. 2, 3. Very nice. 4, 5, 6. Make a big circle. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Change the direction. Now change the direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Very nice. Beautiful. Very nice. So bring your legs close to each other. All right. So now keep your hands towards your back and bend your knee and cross it. Cross to the leg. Let's just see if you are able to sit in this position or not. Just see if you can sit in this position. Yes. All right. Very good. So this position. Now what you do, if you are which leg is bent? Right side. If the right side leg is bent, keep the right hand on the floor and lift the other leg. Other hand, sorry. Okay? Other hand. Same side leg, same side hand on the floor. Yes, lift it and bring it from the other side and hold it. Very nice. Keep it this much. That much is okay for you for today. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly lose the lock. Bring your hand down. Bring your leg straight and change the position. Yes. Now, this leg is bent and this hand is on the floor. Same side leg, same side hand on the floor. Yes? All right. So lift the other hand and bring it from the back. Yes, and hold it. Just take it. Triveni, other side. Triveni, other side. Take it from the other side. Position is right, but hand is not right. Take the hand from the other side. Yes. And hold it. Hold your own leg. Hold your own leg. Ankle of the leg. Yes. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax your hand and bring it in the back. All right. Let's just sit in this Spand Bhavasana, which is a relaxing position. Leave your legs open, hands in the back, and look up. Relax your head on the shoulders. Keep it like this. 5. Take a long deep breath. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Very nice. All right. Bring your hands together. Sit in Sukhasana. All right. Sit in Sukhasana. Come back up. So now I'll play some music and for 2 minutes as a timer. All right. So we'll do Kapalbhati. So Hima, you know how to do Kapalbhati? Means, okay, I'll give instructions one time. Baki mein lag gaya? Sure. So what we do, we breathe out with a stroke. Okay? So breathing, let's not focus on breathing in because breathing in happens automatically. What you have to do, breathe out with a stroke. झटके के साथ में सांस को बाहर निकालना है. ठीक है? So like this. When you do this, your stomach automatically will go in, and when you breathe, stomach will flap like this, up, in and out, in and out. But you need not to focus on the stomach, only on breathing out. So let's do it with open eyes. Triveni, you can do with closed eyes, so that you can watch also and do also, Hima. So I'll play some music. Just watch me, or without music, let's practice first. Okay, so breathe out. Sit straight. Backbone straight, yes. Relax. Very nice. So Hima, you do slowly. Today you need not to do fast. If within 2 seconds, you do only once. 2 to 3 seconds once. Once we practice, generally we do it 2 or 3 times in 1 second. But today you will do once in 2 to 3 seconds. Nice and slow. All right. So I'll play some music as a timer for 2 minutes. Slowly relax. Hima, you are able to do? Yeah? Okay, all right. So sit in this position. Shin Mudra, this is called Shin Mudra. Yes. So let's chant Om 3 times. We'll close our session with chanting Om and with laughter. All right. So sit straight, always sit straight. Yes. Close your eyes and chant Om 3 times. Om. 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 Keep your eyes closed. Bring your palms together, rub them together. Feel the heat, feel the energy, and let it flow in your body, through your face, through your eyes. Rub your hands together one more time. Rub your palms, feel the heat, and let it flow in rest of your body. Put your hands on rest of your body. Send a message that you love, we take care our body, we love body, we respect our body. So thank you, God, for everything and anything that you have given to me. Thank you so much. Slowly open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining today's session. Let's end the session with a big laughter. All right? जोर से हंसना है. So you have to give a big laughter that the building shakes. All right? All right. So here we go. One more time. एक बार और. Clapping. That's beautiful. Shoulder clapping. Back of the palms. Both sides. Sideways. Your wrist. Clap with your wrist. Very nice. Beautiful. Thank you so much for joining today's session. I hope you have a wonderful day today and have a happy and have a happy day today. All right. So Hima, how was it? Are you okay? Are you fine completely?
Yeah, it's fine.
You're okay? Where are you from, Hima?
Bangalore.
No, you are in Bangalore, but are you originally from Bangalore only?
Yes.
All right, all right. So see you on Monday. All right. Take care. Bye.
Eva, one doubt, Eva.
Huh?
Can I take my medication soon after the yoga class?
What medication it is?
Thyroid tablet. Thyroid. Morning I missed to take.
Oh, is it?
Uh,
Okay. Wait for some time. At least let your
Okay.
body be calmed down. Anything
Sure.
you do, just wait for some time. At least give 20 minutes.
Sure. Okay.
Huh? Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Take care.
Thank you.
Bye. Bye.
Yeah.